Okay, so we're gonna go to the downloads here, and you can see I've already downloaded light styles for sparkles and PSD example. So in the PSD example, this is the PSD, and we will need to, the easiest way to do this is to open up Photoshop, all right, and minimize it just, not maximize it, but minimize it just a little bit. Well, let's see if I can just pull it over to the side. All right, see, I already have it opened up, but you see up here, the new M1 Max, they're a little bit more difficult to work with. So usually before you were able to double click it, but you have to open it from there where it says open in Adobe Photoshop. And if you don't have Rosetta installed on here, it will make it difficult. And the reason why I made the PSD is because some of the PSD styles won't work, like when you save them as ASL files for some reason on the M1 Max. So I put the styles inside the PSD here. As you can see, they are here, all of the styles. So if you wanted to save these out, all you have to do is go here and let me move this up. So you would just select that, hit the styles button, okay? Click on it. Just click on it like that. And then create a new style. And then you can name it Sparkle or Sparkle Style. And press OK. And see, I've already done this here. And then to save these out, you'll just click on this little hamburger link and then export selected styles. So you can go through each one and save them out. I don't know why, but for some reason, the new Macs, if you have a new Mac, this is an issue. This isn't something particularly wrong with my styles. It's just the new interface. So even I have this upgraded to Rosetta, it still has issues. So the brushes are the same way. I'm just going to minimize this. So I'm going to close this out. Now this is just a picture. It's not anything. It's just a example cover. So you go back to your downloads and go into the light for sparkles. Now this is not going to open up because, like I said, the styles don't work on the new M1 Max for some reason. That's why I put them in the PSD. So this one, you can just double click to open the brushes, which it's confusing because you can't do that with the PSDs, I know. So if you get your brush palette out and you just go to your brush settings here. Let's see. And you're going to see the sparkle brushes are here, and I've already unloaded them. You can change the view here to brush tip, and then you can see that the sparkles are here. So of course you want to change your brush thing to white, and then you can minimize the brush size by reducing it as so, and just start clicking here, and then you can add the sparkle styles to it. And basically what the sparkle styles do, it just gives it a little glow. So there's just different ones here, like this one. So I'm just going to reduce the size here. And you can make them bigger with the left and right bracket key. And then just add the style to it. It just gives it a little bit more of a glow. It's nothing really special, so it's the same thing here. And you just add the the sparkles and the glares, and that's it. So if you want to make it more intense, you can just like double click on it and it makes it more sparkly. So what I'm doing is I'm just double clicking there to making a little bit more brighter if you want to give it a little bit more intense. So this is some filters here, like the rainbow filter here. You have a shadow filter here. So different stuff. So everything that you need is exactly in the PSD. I hope this tutorial helped. Thanks so much for watching.